Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to draw two slightly curved lines moving upwards. Connect these lines at the bottom with a curved line to form the base of the trunk. Next, let's add some branches from the top of the trunk. Draw several branches extended outwards. Remember, tree branches are not perfectly straight, so feel free to add some curves and bends to make them look natural. Once you have the main clusters of petals, add a few smaller clusters to fill in any gaps. This will give your tree a more complete and lush appearance. Now it's time to add the red petals. For this tree, we will draw clusters of small rounded shapes to represent the petals. Start at the end of each branches and draw clusters of petals varying their sizes and shapes to create a natural look. Fill in around the branches ensuring the tree looks full and vibrant. To give the tree more depth, add some shading to the trunk and branches. Lightly shade one side of the trunk and branches to create a shadow effect. This will make your tree look more three-dimensional. For the final touch, use a red colored pencil or marker to color in the petals. You can use different shades of red to add some variation and make the petals look more dynamic. And there you have it, a stunning tree with red petals. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.